Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever set up a new Windows PC, you know the drill. You install your first app, then the second, then the third. Clicking install over and over again, it's a chore. It's tedious. Microsoft just copied one of the best features from vidIQ, batch installing apps. Yep, the Microsoft Store now lets you install multiple apps at once, making setting up a new PC easier than ever. Let's see how it works and whether it's as good as vidIQ. It is only available on the web version, and you need to be logged in. The new feature is called Multi-App Install, and it's found on the top to your right. Unfortunately, it's currently not available in all regions. The apps are arranged into categories. Now, for the magic part, simply check the box next to every single app you want to install. When done, just click on Install Selected, and it will create an executable file that you can use to install all the apps you selected. Just click on the installer and all the apps will be installed. This feature is a huge time saver for anyone reinstalling Windows or setting up a new device. Imagine logging in, selecting your favorite apps, and boom, everything installs at once. If you found this quick tip helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more Windows 11 news and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.